Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, let's suppose here we have the diagram. This is the rectangle. We know that the rectangle is such figure in which the two opposite shapes are equal, and these are the two lines, the diagonals, and this is the shaded area, and we have to find out this shaded area. This is given the space from top up till shaded area. This is 2 meters, and this is the long length of the perpendicular, that is 11 meters, and this is 6 meters the short length. So we know that the area of the rectangle is the long length multiplied by the shortest length. So that is 11 meters multiplied by 6 meters. So that will be 66 meters square. This is the area of the rectangle. So this figure, this is the right angle triangle. So we are drawing this figure. So here we have the right angle triangle, and this is, we know that 6 meters, this is 11 meters perpendicular, and we have to find out the hypotenuse. So we know that the area of Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So the perpendicular is 11, so that is 11 square plus base, that is 6 square. So 121 plus 36, so that is going to be 157. Now taking the square roots on both sides, under root h square equal to under root 157. So the hypotenuse h, that is going to be 12.5, and this is also the diagonal of the rectangle. So now the half of the diagonal, it means diagonal divided by 2. So diagonal is 12.5, so 12.5 divided by 2, the half of the diagonal will be 6.25. Now we have this figure from the topmost triangle, from the rectangle. We have this figure. This is the shaded area, and this one, this is the hypotenuse, and this is 6.25, which we have found out right now. And the height of this triangle, this is going to be 5.5 meters, because the long length of the rectangle is 11 meters. So this is half of 11 meters. So now again we are drawing the right angle triangle from this figure. This is the base, and this is the perpendicular, and this is the hypotenuse. So this is the right angle triangle from this figure, and now this is the shaded area. So now we are comparing the two perpendiculars as well as the two hypotenuse from this figure. So let's suppose big perpendicular, it means the long length of this perpendicular divided by the shaded perpendicular. So this is the long length and this is the shaded area. So equal to big hypotenuse, that is 6.25, divided by the shaded hypotenuse. So big perpendicular is 5.5 divided by the shaded perpendicular is 3.5. So because this is 2 meters, the empty space, that's why it is 3.5, equal to big hypotenuse is 6.25 divided by the shaded hypotenuse. We have to find out. So this is, let's suppose, x. Now 5.5 divided by 3.5, this is 1.57, equal to 6.25 divided by x. Now cross multiplying, x equal to 6.25 divided by 1.57. So the value of x, it means the shaded hypotenuse is 3.98, or let's suppose 4 meters. Now we have this figure. This is the shaded right angle triangle. So this is 4 hypotenuse and the perpendicular is 3.5, and this is base we have to find out. So hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. The hypotenuse is 4. 4 square equal to 3.5 perpendicular. So 3.5 square plus base square. 4 square is 16 equal to 3.5 square is 12.25 plus base square. So now 16 minus 12.25 equal to base square. So the base square will be 13.75. Now taking the square roots on both sides, the base will be equal to 3.7. And this is the shaded base of the right angle triangle, and these are the square roots. And now we have this figure. This is the shaded triangle from the square. So this is 3.7. This is also 3.7 because the two right angle triangles are symmetrical, and this is 3.5, this height of the shaded triangle. So the area of the triangle is half multiplied by base into height. So the base is 3.7 plus 3.7, so that is 7.4, multiplied by the height is 3.5. So this is 3.5. And now the area of the triangle which is required, that is 12.95 meters square, and this is the answer, and this is what we want. Thank you for watching this video.